No mai koutou, ko Hunter ahau. I am Hunter.
E morena Winton School, ko Arlia ahau. I am Arlia. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for ra-peti, the 22nd of June.
Okay, let's get into te kupu or te wiki. This week's word is oma, which is te reo for run.
As in, oma ra-peti. Run, rabbit, run.
Ka pai, that's oma, which is te reo for run.
Kia ora. Pals news. None today because the hall is being used for InterHouse Spelling. Kia ora.
Speaking of which, years 1 and 2, you're up today at 12:45.
Spellers of all abilities need to get themselves into the hall at lunchtime with a pencil and represent.
That's all year 1 and 2 spellers from rooms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 at 12:45 in the hall with a pencil, please.
Ka pai, health and safety. High VIZ VESTS, everyone wearing them to and from school. Kia ora.
Social Science Fair News. Congratulations to Year 8's Georgia Watright and Hannah Johnston, winners of the Historic Building section with the Atlantic Castle entry.
Congratulations also to Emily White for winning the Year 5 and 6 section with her 2016 Southern Steel entry.
Emily also scored a merit in the overall sports category.
Congratulations to Ruby Howley. Her sheer quality entry gained a merit in the Year 5-6 section.
And congratulations to Lucy White for her Anne Frank entry that scored a merit in the genealogy biography section.
Well done, ladies, and hopefully we'll see the exhibits in the library soon. Kia ora.
Ripper Rugby, Year 6 training today over the road at 12:45. Kia ora.
On to Whare Puka Puka news. Open today from 12:45 for returns, browsing and issues.
No birthdays today at Winton School.
But today the Swedish flag celebrates its 110th birthday.
And did you know that this year Te Hiki or Aotearoa, the flag of New Zealand, is 114 years old?
Okay, that's it from today. For everyone here at the N.E.W.S news, ka kite popo. See you tomorrow.
Stay clean, stay dry
and stay off the grass, Winton School.